Welcome to Tech 327, Laser Catch. Another group stroll miming activity that can be done in groups of 2 or more is what can only be described as laser catch. Using Oriental Hand as described in Tech 101, use Oriental Hand as the laser, and tuck into a geometric hand to release it. On the receiving end, find an appropriate time to catch momentarily afterwards, and turn your hand into Oriental Hand. To make things interesting, split the laser in 2 by cloning it with your other hand. Throw one to one mime and one to another, or throw them both to the same. Another thing to do is to move it around your body, waving any part of your body from one hand to the foot, to a leg, or anywhere in between, as long as it can be quote-unquote seen by other people. Another fun yet challenging mix-up is to bounce it off of walls or the floor and give it back to yourself. Remember the 5 elements of a gesture and follow the laser with your eyes wherever it is going. That is all for Tech 327, Laser Catch. Thank you for watching. Please remember to donate to the Digital Mimes free online database for everything mime ministry. Thank you.